One of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G's strong suit is performance. Now this is because it comes with a Dimensity 8050 chipset. It has 8 gigs of RAM which could be boosted to 16 gigabytes with the help of memory fusion, and it has support for 5G, which means you have faster connectivity if you have 5G in your area. It also comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, which means that scrolling through your apps and feed on your device, you're going to have that smooth experience. And so in today's video, we are putting it to the test by playing games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, and Genshin Impact, which is a very graphical demanding game. Whilst playing these games, I would make sure I show my graphic settings because I've learned my lessons. I am talking too much, so without further ado, make a game, Charlie. One thing I realized is when you go into the screen recorder settings, there is a very nice feature there which allows you to toggle on do not disturb. Now it's a feature in the software that prevents notifications from coming up, especially if you're gaming. So our first game is going to be PUBG Mobile. Okay, so these are my graphic settings for the game. You can put it at HDR in combat mode and also put it at ultra as frame rate. You can go that high, but you can't continue with ultra HD and UHD because unfortunately it's not available for the device yet, I guess. Also, for those who care to know,
let's go.
The gyro sensor works on this device, so you have gyroscope capabilities. Yeah, so as you can see.
First point. No mercy. Kill. Dead. Cover me.
Shit.
Red team victory.
Alright, so that's it for PUBG. The device feels slightly warm, not too much, but we're going into our next game, and that is Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, so before we go into the game for Call of Duty Mobile, this is the graphics settings. So you can have very high and max. So I've maxed everything out, and you could choose any graphic mode you want in Battle Royale. The frame rate is a maximum, which means you can play high frame rate. So yeah, let's go and kill some people. Okay, so these are the graphic settings for Genshin Impact, and it's on medium by default, but I think it can go high. So you can put it at the highest, but it's going to affect performance, so I'd want to keep it on the minimal level, and this should be okay. To be very honest, one of the interesting part about this device is the design. That's not what the video was about today. I just want to get your thoughts so far about the gaming performance on this device in the comment section. Share them with me. Let's get chatty. And as always, we can talk more, Charlie.